A batalha contra câncer de pulmão está continuando, mientras que casonan está sigue aumentando.
Whenever I discuss it to patients or to the community, they're always shocked by it. They're like, I thought it was breast cancer, I thought it was colorectal, because they always get the attention.
Urgente por desarrollar cáncer de pulmón, y no solamente están kutahuma.
Tobacco use still may be the number one cause of preventable cause of lung cancer. Though smoking rates in the United States have fallen drastically, but lung cancer incidence has not.
El porcentaje de sobrevivir a cáncer de pulmón ha aumentado en 26%. Chekeo y screening para cáncer de pulmón está importante. Y si vos diagnosticar con cáncer de pulmón, especialistas lo pueden determinar cuál es el tratamiento para.
What I will plead with any individual is, if you have smoked in your lifetime, talk to your doctor, and he or she can discuss if it makes sense to screen you.
Fabiola Angela-Hernandez,